Greetings from my happy place on the sea in Stockholm, the sandy beach Erstaviksbadet in the same named nature reserve, Erstavik. It's been 1 month since I was here on this very same place. Back then it was 13 degrees Celsius in the air and just 8 in the sea. So we are in for a treat today because we have 18 degrees Celsius in the air, and we're gonna soon find out also the temperature in the sea. I am all alone on this beautiful beach, and off we go with the thermometer to get a more accurate measurement while I show you my bicycle that got me here. 16.7 kilometers it was the distance today, and 43 minutes was it, but I have pumped my tires now and it was quite faster. I am so happy to be able to have this paradise just for myself, and also I will be able to film some dance shorts for Eurovision after this. It is 22nd of May 2026, currently 11 a.m. exactly, and yeah, I still can't believe that last week this time I was in Vienna and preparing for the jury show of the final tonight. I still have my bracelets and my tattoos so it feels just surreal, but also I'm quite happy to be able to continue with my beach adventures, especially on a sunny day like this. And I just had today just the bib shorts on me and a bib shirt as well, but also I did have a long shirt underneath. But on the way back I'm just gonna go with short shirt and just the bibs because it will be even warmer later today, up to 23 degrees actually, but not so sunny, so I wanted to catch the sun. Yes, Erstaviksbadet, I just can't believe it's been a month since I was here, but also I was in Crete and also Eurovision, and the month goes so fast actually. Indeed. And yeah, let's then check the water. I was on the sea the day before yesterday and I couldn't tell the temperature of the water, but I was in the water for quite some time, and today feels also pleasant. The water feels pleasant, which means we're gonna be a few more minutes than usual in the water. Let's see what we are dealing with. Okay, it's not as warm as I thought. It's 13 degrees Celsius. 13 degrees. Yesterday, to be fair, I was on the lake, Stockholm, and there it was 16 degrees, and I stayed for 10 whole minutes in the lake. So I might do that on a less sunnier day, because when it's so sunny like this, I really want to enjoy fully the sea. All right, so let's get going and show you this beautiful sea here, the Baltic Sea that is. I just can't believe I'm all alone. But okay, it's Friday and the beach season has not started officially. Most people think that the water is cold also as well, so I am not so super surprised. But it looks so stunning. I love it. I love Erstavik. And also there are so many beautiful spots along these cliffs as well. There are many children here during the summer, so I avoid the beach during the high summer. But spring and autumn, I really love to cycle to get here and to have this place just for myself. Okay, it's a bit chilly, I'm not gonna lie, but good thing is that it's warm outside and not so much wind right here where I am. So Chris is on the sea and we are ready to go for a swim in the sea. Okay, it's warmer than last month when I was here, but I don't think I will be able to swim longer than a minute today here. But nevertheless, the view is amazing. I also get a bit of a chills in my lungs when I'm staying for longer in a cold waters. But yeah, I also think that the water, I mean the swim in the sea and the lake, made my common cold disappear quite sooner. Because usually I have a common cold for a week, but now I just only had it for 2 days, and I feel much better now already. So yeah, maybe I have found a new cure for common cold, but who knows? Greetings from Erstaviksbadet, and I'm gonna be enjoying here for some few more hours in the sun, sunbathing and dancing to Eurovision songs. Thanks all for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!